Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a thermocol glider. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a sheet of thermocol, ideally 3 to 5 millimeters thick, a sharp craft cutter, and some fine grit sandpaper. Don't forget a strong, quick-drying adhesive, a ruler, a pencil, and a pre-designed template. Having these items ready will make the building process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a successful flight. Now that you have your materials, it's time for precision cutting. Begin by carefully tracing your glider's design onto the thermocol sheet using your template and a pencil. Once traced, use your sharp craft cutter to meticulously cut out each component: the wings, fuselage, and tail sections. Take your time to ensure clean, accurate cuts. After cutting, gently sand all the edges with fine grit sandpaper to create smooth surfaces, which is crucial for aerodynamic efficiency and a sleek finish. With all your pieces cut and smoothed, let's move on to assembly. First, carefully attach the main wings to the fuselage. It's vital that they are perfectly centered and level to ensure stable flight. Next, secure the horizontal and vertical tail stabilizers to the rear of the fuselage. Use a strong, quick-drying adhesive, but apply it sparingly. Too much glue adds unnecessary weight, which can negatively impact your glider's performance. Allow each joint to dry completely before proceeding. Finally, it's time to balance and test your thermocol glider. The most critical step is finding the correct center of gravity, usually about 1/3 of the way back from the leading edge of the wing. If your glider is tail-heavy, add a small amount of weight, like a tiny piece of clay or tape, to the nose. Once balanced, take your glider to an open area and perform gentle test flights. Observe its flight path and make small adjustments to the wings or tail until you achieve a smooth, stable glide. Enjoy your handmade glider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.